a metro station? Have you ever seen a metro station like this before? I mean, this is just... I'm speechless. We've got nothing like this in the UK. Nothing. Uncomparable. I have now come to Shenzhen Talent Park. Now, I've just ordered a drink to this park. Now, wait till you see the method of delivery. Here we go. And over there you can see some of Shenzhen's famous skyline. You have the bamboo building there standing at 392 meters tall. And although Shenzhen is just scattered with super tall skyscrapers everywhere, you can still see that there's more skyscrapers just popping up and interesting architecture being built there. I mean, there's some more skyscrapers over there. The speed at which development takes place here is crazy. And here we are. You see that flying in the sky there? That is my takeaway order. That's my drink there, up in the sky. Is it a bird? Is it a plane? No, it's my why my. Is it Superman? No. Here comes my drink. That is insane. Oh my God. The package has landed. Oh, there's another one. Someone else just ordered something. Let me try. Oh, it's about to take off. It's got to move out of the way. It's moving out of the way for another order. Bye bye, Mr. Drone. Thank you for my order. Oh my God, right, let's try. Right, I'm gonna put in the last digits of my phone number. Wow, and there it is, there's my package. Came from the skies. Oh, there's another one just coming in. Wow, look at that. There's another guy. Oh my God, we've built up a bit of a crowd now. Right, it's time to open my package. Oh, this is crazy. I feel like I'm living in the future here. How is this possible? And there's my drink. Look at this. Let's try it. Let me just test to see if it is indeed a real drink. Oh, I didn't open it. It's a real drink, I believe it. Right, so then once you're done with the package, you fold it up and then you put it inside there. It gets recycled and used again. This is just, it's surreal. My drink just came from the sky. What is going on? Am I in a movie? Wait, hold on, there's a plane there. He's not delivering some more food, is he? Not only you can order drinks, but also you can order like a Subway sandwich, KFC chicken, some spicy Chinese food. I mean, can you imagine ordering a chicken that comes from the sky? How is China doing this? It's incredible. Anyway, on to the next place. Let's go. We're now at the China High-Tech Fair at the Shenzhen World Exhibition and Convention Center, hosted by the Shenzhen Municipal People's Government. The event covers an exhibition area of around 400,000 square meters and attracts more than 5,000 well-known companies and international organizations from over 100 countries and regions. The fair features 20 top fast-growing sectors, including artificial intelligence, robotics, clean energy, and more, showcasing the latest high-tech trends and achievements globally. Have you